370, 35A, Babri Masjid judgment and CAA, because I happened to be in the parliament when these laws were passed. And when the laws are passed by parliament, no authority in the street has a right, it may be instigated by opposition, has a right to say anything in the street. And I don't think it is appropriate what is going on, because I know how it started. It started at Jamia Millia Islamia. I was a director on that board, elected by the parliament to the Senate, and I know how it is functioning. And therefore, I resigned from that board. Now, if you start a movement in a particular community university to oppose the law passed by the parliament, how this country can function? Can we have laws be made in the streets? Then it will be the law of the jungle. Can we challenge the decision of the Supreme Court of India? Because I know what happened post Babri Masjid judgment of the Supreme Court, because I happened to stay in Indian Law Institute guest house just outside the Supreme Court, and the whole area was blocked by the police. Why? Because there was a jamboree of particular community who came to get out the Supreme Court. Now, if this is the system adopted in this country, how this country can function? So, I want to tell Dr. Shraddha that these topics are not to be debated. The CAA is to be accepted by the people. 370, 35A is to be accepted by the people of this country, because these are good laws. The mistake, though I belong to a particular political party, but I have my views as a citizen of this country. We made mistake for 70 years. And why we should continue with these mistakes? आता debate झाली आमच्या Radha Bhavan सांगले about population. But if you go and make a study what happened in Pakistan, as I just mentioned, I have my relation who has migrated to America and to Canada. 20,000, very short, 20,000 Christian population is sold to China as sex slaves. So naturally the population figure will not be balanced. So there are many flaws here. So I don't think it is anybody's business to convince us on 370 and 35A. It is there in the Constitution. Constitution has been amended. And it is not people across the border to dictate to us what we should do. What should we do about laws passed by our parliament? Any law passed by the parliament, whether the opposition oppose or not, it is to be accepted, because these are the laws of the country. If I don't want to vote for a prime minister, if that prime minister is not of my party, but he is my prime minister, he is prime minister of India. I think this logic should be understood.